Our next exercise is the chest expander exercise, and this is done to help restore the thoracic curve in the back. This exercise is very simple but very effective. Sarah, go ahead and put your hands up over your head, push your palms together, bring them down, and then you're going to hold it right about there. Look up. And what we're trying to do is push back right here. Push your hands together and contract right here to help restore this thoracic curve. We want this to be curved. This is where you should be feeling it. She's pushing her hands together, pushing her chest backwards, trying to expand this and get that curve forced in it right here. She's going to do this for the prescribed amount of time, which might be 10 seconds, it might be a minute, it might be all the way to 2 minutes. But this is going to help restore that, and you're going to listen to your doctor's instructions on how to do it. The most common mistake we see is, go ahead and put your hands over your head again. Let's do it one more time. Push your hands together, bring them down. Some people will bring their head down like this. We want to have our head up, looking forward, contracting our hands, pushing right here, and trying to force that cervical curve right back here. And this will help restore that thoracic curve. That is your chest expander exercise. You can relax.